everyone, it's time for another quiz. Now this week's quiz theme is London. I know a lot of you enjoy trips to London, they're probably missing it right now. So I've gathered 25 questions. Same as always, you can write down the answers, you can shout them out at the screen. If you need more time, just pause the video and then you can have a bit more time after each question. So if you're ready, question 1. What colour is the Northern Line on the London Underground map? Number 2, by what name is the statue in the middle of Piccadilly Circus known as? Question 3, which street links Trafalgar Square to Parliament Square? Question 4, how old is the London Underground? Question 5. The Serpentine is in which London park? Question 6. Which London Underground station has the longest escalator? Question 7. Traditionally, what colour are London buses? Question 8. In which London park is London Zoo located? Question 9. What is traditionally sold at Billingsgate Market? Number 10. Approximately how many abandoned underground stations are there? Number 11. How many different coloured London Underground lines are there? Question 12. Who designed St Paul's Cathedral? Question 13. Opened in 1987, what does the acronym DLR stand for? Question 14. Traditionally, what colour are London taxis? Question 15. In London, what is the Emirates Air Line? Question 16. Where in central London would you find a statue of Peter Pan? Question 17. What is the name of the river that flows through London? Question 18. Which London Underground station has the most platforms? Question 19. How many stations are there on the Circle Line? Question 20. What area of London is Big Ben located in? 21. What number Downing Street does the Prime Minister live at? Question 22. How tall in metres is the Shard? 23. What name is given to the area of London that's famous for its theatres? 24. Which attraction is famous for its waxwork models of well-known people? 25. What do you think the population of London is as of 2020? So that's all your questions. I'm going to read through the answers now. So have a pause now if you need to have a bit more time to think. So question 1. The northern line on the underground map is black. The statue in Piccadilly Circus is Eros. The street that links Trafalgar Square to Parliament Square is called Whitehall. The London Underground is 157 years old as of 2020. The Serpentine is in Hyde Park. The station with the longest escalator is Angel. The escalator is about 60 metres long. London buses are traditionally red. London Zoo is located in Regent's Park. At Billingsgate Market, they sell fish. There are approximately 49 abandoned underground stations. There are 11 different coloured lines on the underground. St Paul's Cathedral was designed by Sir Christopher Wren. DLR stands for the Docklands Light Railway. London taxis are traditionally black. The Emirates Air Line is actually a cable car and it runs across the top of the Thames. The statue of Peter Pan is in Kensington Gardens. The name of the river that runs through London is the Thames. The underground station with the most platforms is Bakerloo. On the Circle Line, there are 36 stations. Big Ben is located in Westminster. The Prime Minister lives at number 10 Downing Street. The Shard is 310 metres tall. The area of London that's famous for its theatres is called the West End. The waxwork models is Madame Tussauds. And the estimated population of London as of 2020 is 9,304,016 people. It's a lot of people, isn't it? Well, let us know how you got on in the comments. And if you've got any requests for other themes of quizzes, just let me know and I'll knock one up for you. Take care. Bye.